Good day everyone, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Jen. We are Smart Reader trainers.
We at Smart Reader believe that it is always a good idea to save money. So for this month's segment, we will be making a creative coin box to help you do that.
So what's so great about the coin box?
Our coin box is going to have a pirate theme with a boat that moves.
Great!
Let's start!
These are the items we will need. A shoebox, some cardboard, a drinking straw, 2 satay sticks. Make sure they are taller and wider than the box. Colored paper, woohoo glue, masking tape, a pair of scissors, a pen knife. Make sure your teacher helps you with all the cutting. A ruler, a marker pen, a pencil, some blue tack, a toilet roll stub, a plastic bottle cap, transparency film, acrylic paint, paintbrushes and a palette, some decorative items like shells and a squeaky toy. First, measure the shorter side of the shoebox, the width. Using that same measurement, make 2 marks along the longer side of the shoebox and draw a line to make a square. Then, extend this dot line down the sides of the box. This part of the box will be the side with the mechanism. You can label it to avoid confusion. We will work on the part for the mechanism first. Draw 2 diagonal lines from corner to corner. At the center cross, draw a little circle at the side. Do the same on both sides of the box. However, draw the circles exactly in the center of the box. Then, punch holes through each of the circles using the pointed end of a satay stick. Since this particular shoebox lid is attached to the box, we are going to cut it off to make it easier to construct the mechanism. If your box has a detachable lid, you can skip this step. Now, flip the box and place the lid on top of the bottom of the box. Make sure you're working with the right side of the box. Carefully poke the satay stick through the hole on the lid, piercing the bottom of the box. Then, take a drinking straw and your ruler, measure off 3.5 centimeters, and cut the straw. Put the long part of the straw aside. Measure off 1 centimeter and draw a line around the short straw stub. We are going to paste this stub on top of the hole in the bottom of the shoebox. To make this easier, we are going to make several cuts up to this line and open up the straw. Now we can secure this stub to the bottom of the box with masking tape. For the mechanism, we need to make 2 cardboard wheels. One wheel should be bigger than the other. So to help us do this, we are going to use a plastic bottle cap and a toilet roll stub. Draw around their outlines on some cardboard and cut them out. First, take the bigger circle and mark its center. Then, for the smaller circle, mark a spot close to its outer edge. Now it's time to put the mechanism together. But first, we are going to punch holes in the circles. Now, slide a satay stick through one of the holes in the side of the box. Take the smaller circle and push the stick through it. Then, slide the stick through the hole in the other side of the box. Position the circle close to the side of the straw. Take the other satay stick and place its end in the straw. Thread the bigger circle through it and make sure the bigger circle sits on top of the smaller circle. Twist the horizontal stick to see if the mechanism works. Now secure the two circles to the sticks with uhu glue. Take two strips of paper and wrap them around the sides of the horizontal stick to prevent it from sliding out. Then, pop the lid on with the stick going through the hole. Secure the cover with masking tape. Now it's time to work on the coin storage compartment. Make a coin slot on the top of the lid. We do not want the coins to disturb the mechanism, so we will need a divider. To make a divider, measure the depth and width of the box. Here, we've already drawn out the divider with extra space for the flaps. Cut it out like this. Using the blunt side of the penknife, score along these lines to make it easier to bend the flaps of the divider. Apply glue and attach the divider. Now we're going to make a window on the side of the coin storage compartment so you can see your treasure. Decide how big you want your window to be and cut it out. Cut a piece of transparency film slightly bigger than the window and put it aside for later. Now it's time to decorate the box. Since we are doing a pirate themed box, we have prepared this image using cardboard and acrylic paint. Remember to do the back as well. Paint the box and decorate it like this. Then, glue the pirate and his boat onto the stick. Then, you can twist the horizontal stick and the pirate will move. Voila! Our creative coin box is done. Now, it's time to put in some treasure for the pirate to find.
Enjoy and have fun saving!